Returning to nature, wandered aimlessly far away from the source. Wanted to go it alone, never stopping to pause. Trampled over sacred graves on the way to progress and material gains. Felled trees to conquer land, build concrete cities in which to stand. Deprived animals of their natural feed, gave them air unfit to breathe, contaminated water both on land and sea, poisoned crops to grow increasing food, soaked fertile soil with human blood, corrupted language to bury human crimes, encouraged by wanton lies, claiming ownership whether right or wrong, mortgaged the soul for a few pieces of gold. The burdens carried are far too great, finally wanting to heal a broken heart. The heart now yearns to finally return home, no more wandering to conform to man-made laws, allowing nature now to take its course. Mother Nature has wept long enough upon these lands, leaving it all in her capable hands. It is time to repair the earth, to renew and herald a rebirth. Vincenzo Russo, 2020.